So if you're a little confused, basically, my sister surprised me for my 16th birthday with a once-in-a-lifetime trip to Europe. We'll be hitting 4 locations: Scotland, England, France, and Italy. And I'm here to take you all along with me. Buckingham Palace, Arc de Triomphe, at the Eiffel Tower, London. Hello everyone, long time no see. I am currently in London. We're currently using the London Underground. We are going to the Harry Potter tour today, which I'm so excited about. So yeah, we're about to catch our train. It's coming in like 4 minutes, and then we'll be yeah. It's our first full day in London today, so we're gonna do the Harry Potter tour, and then we're gonna do some more touristy stuff, see Buckingham Palace and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, this is what the London Underground looks like. I'll show you in a second. We have just arrived at the tour. I'm so excited. Our tour's not for another hour, so we're gonna get food at the food hall and then start the Harry Potter tour. How excited are you right now?
I'm so excited. I've done this before and I'm still so excited.
She was by herself last time she did it, so now she has another Harry Potter person with her. I'm so excited.
I think the best bit is like seeing all the little kids dressed up.
I know, there's so many little kids in here. We just got breakfast at the food hall. I got a vegan wrap. Jackie did not get a vegan meal, which I'm kidding. Gets one vegan meal. And anyway, thought I'd update you.
They stood in the entrance hall to the great castle itself.
Gryffindor common room. Oh look, there's like the stairs. That's so cute. This is the Burrow. That is so cool. That is obviously, what's her name? Doralsumber Bridge. Did I say that right? Something like that. Obviously the most hated person ever. I don't like her, but that's her office there. We are entering the Forbidden Forest. We're out of the Forbidden Forest right now. We are lining up for the Hogwarts Express. That's actually so exciting. Going on the Hogwarts Express. Literally tiny in here, like that's how big it is. There's some rooms. 2005. What did you just order? Butterbeer! Have you had it before?
Yeah.
Right, first impression, go. Good? Yes. Butterbeer is good. Heard it here first. We're going into Harry Potter's house. Number 4. That's so cool.
Oh, it's freezing here.
Because it's not in here, it's out here. We are now at why can't I say any of the words right? Gringotts, whatever, bank. Oh, that's cool. I think this is my favorite part. This is so cool. Look, it's the Weasley shop. It is a model of the Hogwarts castle, and it's so amazing. It actually is so cool. We are currently in Hyde Park right now. I'm heading to Buckingham Palace. Alright, we are walking into the gates of Buckingham Palace right now. I have been here when I was like 8, so I don't really remember this, but I'm really excited. So those are the gates. This is the little outside area. So cute. Currently in London. Can you tell? Why the do I care about a building? I want it on me. Phone booth, and we're gonna try and get a perfect Instagram photo in it. So this is gonna be hard because it's been windy and I don't look the best right now, but we also have an Italian walking group behind us, so we've got to
Pronto, Bella.
Okay, let's go. Okay, I think we got a photo. I think it literally took about 20 minutes for me to be happy with any of the photos, so that's great. We're now currently walking up to Trafalgar Square, which is right there. So they have like lions there, and I really want to try and like sit on the lion. So we'll see how that goes.
You're gonna fail.
I don't think I'm gonna get on it. Look how massive it looks. So, okay, so they're the lions. They're actually so hard to get on. Like they're slippery. So that was a fail. I didn't actually get on the lion. But we got this beautiful fountain, another pretty building. Okay guys, so we came back to our hotel and just charged up our phones, and now we're heading out. It is actually not that late. It's like 5:30 and it's already dark because the sun sets. The sunsets are like 4 here, but we are going to, we didn't really eat lunch. Oh, how pretty is that building? So yeah, we're gonna hop on the tube again. I think this is probably like our 20th train for the day.
We're pros now.
Yeah, so we are going to hop on the train, head to like Regent Street. That's the only street I know.
Piccadilly Circus.
Piccadilly Circus, and do that. So we just went to M&M World, and now we're currently on this really pretty street. It's got heaps of stores, and we're just walking around, and it's really cute. I'll show you right now. This is the pretty street. So cute. I made Jackie walk up and down to find a dinner place because there was a Mexican place, but it didn't look good at the end. So we've settled on Five Guys. So it's at the end of the street, so we're gonna walk there for dinner and get a burger. I'm really excited. I don't know if you can hear me right now, but yeah. Yeah, we're at Five Guys right now. Sort of my sister has just ordered me my burger. I'm actually really hot now, so I need to take this off. Okay, we just arrived back at our hotel after our dinner. We're gonna take off our makeup, have a night, and don't know what have a night means, but let ourselves wake up naturally tomorrow because we've been waking up so early. Oh, here we go. Hello again. So yeah, I'll show you our little hotel. We go through this door, and when I say little, I mean little.
But that's what you pay when you come to London.
Yeah, this is 50. Room 50, open up the door.
Open up.
Then we just come in here and voila. Can you tell which bed's mine? No, you can't tell? Really? Anyway, have our little M&Ms that are gonna go on this side of the room. And yeah, I will pick this back up in the morning. Guys, good morning. Welcome to day 2 of London. We've currently just woken up. We let ourselves sleep in today, which is good because we've been waking up pretty early every single day. What time is it? It's only like 8:30. We didn't really sleep in, but we've not really been handling jet lag that well. Jackie's been waking up at like 1, 5, very early times in the morning, and me just a couple hours later. So yeah, today we're just going to explore and go for a walk because we are in London, so of course we're going to do that. And then we have a stage show tonight, so we're going to get ourselves ready and all glammed up tonight. Glammed up, I'm literally... Anyway, we're going to do quite a big walk today. It's like 53 minutes, but we're just going to sightsee just because me and Jackie have been eating like shit. Oh, we've just been enjoying ourselves. So we just feel, I feel at least, a little gross. So I feel like a walk will do us good. So yeah, this is the fit today. Actually, we're not going to show you that because I looked hella hefty. So yeah, I'm wearing this top, which I wore on the plane, and then, oh, sorry. And my bum look good. There.
So we are here in Paddington. And I was thinking we could do Kensington Palace.
Yeah.
Right? And by Chloe is
Which is where we want to go for like brunch.
here.
Okay, we can make that work. This is the outside of our hotel if I haven't shown you. The trek right now, my bun is lopsided, to Kensington. Let's go. Okay,
No.
guys, we're currently in Kensington. I look so rough. We are currently in Kensington Gardens, walking up to Kensington Palace. It's such a cute little garden. It's not little at all, it's really big, and there's so many dogs running around, which is so cute. I need to fix my hair situation, but right now it's too cold for that. How are you feeling without a jacket?
I'm regretting that I didn't wear a jacket on top. Come on. It's meant to be a high of 14 today.
Woo!
Summer.
After an hour's walk, we're finally here. So we've just arrived at by Chloe. I had a look at the menu and it looks amazing. I'm really upset though because the thing that I really wanted was almond butter and like honey, no not honey, like maple syrup on toast, because I eat that all the time at home. It's like my favorite, but they're out, which is really unfortunate, but that's okay. So I decided to get avocado on toast. So yeah, I will let you guys know how it is. Jackie got the pancakes. Actually, I would have got the pancakes, but they're like Christmas flavored, so they're like gingerbread, and I don't like ginger. So, but I'll show you guys the inside of the cafe. It's so cute. Let's dive in. So I just finished my avocado on toast. As you can tell, I loved that. It was actually really good. I never order avocado on toast because I feel like it's like, I don't know, bland, like avocado, but there was like, how do you say it, dukkha on it, and like pumpkin, which I love pumpkin, so it was so yum. It's really awkward. Anyway, so yeah, really loved that. Jackie's still eating her pancakes, and yeah. Okay, we're heading on to the London we're in the London Underground, and we're heading on the next train to, I don't even know where, somewhere. London Underground looks like. I've already showed you guys. Not sure where we are. We're doing Tower of London right now. We're about to go on the bridge. Okay, we are walking. Can you walk the whole bridge?
Yeah.
We're walking up to Tower Bridge right now. Not sure what my bun is doing, but I'll show you the whole bridge. And there's like a castle over there. So guys, so we are back at our hotel right now. We just did some walking, went to Soho and did some more shopping. Well, just looked at shops because I didn't actually buy anything. I saw stuff that I liked, but I'm trying to save all my money for Paris because they have like the biggest, can you stay here? They have like, oh shit, the biggest like designer stores in Paris. So I'm saving all my money for there. We went to a supermarket to like get some food for a snack and stuff. So I just got some strawberries and raspberries. That is so bad. Look at my tan, guys. I'm gonna fix that up later. And then for dinner, because we're going to a stage show tonight, so we just wanted something quick and easy. I just got this chicken salad because I thought I would try and be a little bit healthy. Because I've just not really been eating that healthy. And because we haven't hit Italy or France yet, so yeah. Okay guys, so we are now going to leave to go to the stage show. So we are seeing, is that what it's called? The stage show? We are seeing Mamma Mia. I decided to just like not put any makeup on today just to have a day off makeup. But yeah, we're gonna see Mamma Mia tonight. And yeah, we're gonna take the tube there. So yeah, I'll tell you guys how it is, if it's good. Hey guys, I'm just jumping in here quickly to say that is all I filmed in London, so I didn't film an outro, so that's why I'm jumping in here just to say thank you all for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. That means the world to me. Give this video a thumbs up. I have 2 more Europe vlogs left, Paris and my Italy video, so stay tuned for them. If you liked this video and want to see what else I got up to in London, make sure to follow me on my Instagram and you can check out my highlights that are on my profile, and you can see a bit more of what I did in London and the rest of my travels. Bye guys!